Hello students, good morning. I am a teacher present here to discuss our new chapter, The Milkman's Cow. So we have already read this chapter in previous classes and we have discussed the difficult words also. So now we are going to do the question answer. Before going to question answer, let us have a discussion about the gist of our chapter. So what is the gist of the chapter or what is the theme of our chapter? The Milkman's Cow. A cow was in a bad mood, sat down in the middle of the road, and refused to move. The milkman tried his best, but the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. This is the story. A policeman joined him, but they failed. Then a grocer came with potatoes and peas, and they also tried togetherly but failed. Later, a wrestler having strength of 10 horses, later a wrestler having the strength of 10 horses joined them. And they togetherly tried to move the cow, but the cow was not going anywhere that day. And lastly, an ice cream man with his jingling cart arrived there. The ice cream man, the wrestler, the grocer, the policeman, and the milkman tried their best to move the cow but failed. A little boy came and led the cow to the side of the road by giving a sip of tasty green or by giving a sip of green grass. The boy like you or the boy of your age learned in second class that human beings eat rice and wheat and cows eat grass. So everyone was happy with that little boy, and the cow was moved from that place. So this is the whole story of our chapter, or this is the whole gist of our chapter. So we have already discussed the difficult words. Now we are going to the question answer part and do the question answer also. So what is the first question? Why did the cow refuse to get up? As you know, the cow was in a bad mood. So the cow refused to get up. How will we write? You should write like this. The cow refused to get up because she was in a bad mood. The cow refused to get up because she was in a bad mood. And the next question, name those who tried to make the cow move. अच्छा, कौन कौन काव को वहाँ से हटाने के लिए कोशिश किए थे? द पुलिसमैन, द मिल्कमैन, ग्रोसर, रेसलर एंड द आइसक्रीम मैन ट्राइड टू मेक द काव मूव. अगेन मैं फिर से बोलता हूँ, द पुलिसमैन, द मिल्कमैन, नहीं ऐसे नहीं तो आप पहले मिल्कमैन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. द मिल्कमैन, द पुलिसमैन, द ग्रोसर, द रेसलर एंड द आइसक्रीम मैन ट्राइड टू मेक द काव move. Who finally made the cow get up and how? A little boy finally made the cow get up. Who finally made the cow get up? A little boy finally made the cow get up. How? By giving her a sip of tasty green. A little boy finally made the cow get up by giving a sip of tasty green grass. Okay. So these are the question answers, and you have to do these 3 question answers in your copy and send photographs. Now let us talk activities. We will do these talk activities in our live classes. So let us go for the word building part. ये जो टॉक एक्टिविटी है उसको जब भी हम लाइव क्लास लेंगे अगले पीरियड में तो उसको क्या करेंगे, आपके साथ डिस्कशन करेंगे. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, वर्ड बिल्डिंग करेंगे. So circle the words that describe the boy. So there are 2 to 4, 8 words given to you in this yellow box, and you have to choose the words which describe the character of the boy or which describe the boy. इनमें से कौन सा वर्ड बॉय के लिए अप्रोप्रिएट है? तो among these words, which word is appropriate for that boy? The first word is cruel. Was that boy cruel? No, so this was not appropriate. Cruel नहीं. And then the word is happy. The boy was happy. Yes, the boy was happy. Was that boy clever? Yes, that boy was clever. Yes, that boy gentle. Yes, that boy was also gentle. Was that boy big? No, that boy was not big. Angry? No, the boy was not also angry. The boy was kind? Yes, the boy was kind. The boy was little? Yes, obviously the boy was little. Okay, so these are the words happy, clever, gentle, kind, and little which describe the boy. So the boy was happy, clever, gentle, kind, and little. So these are the words which describe the boy. Now come to the number two. So in this words activity, you have to fill in the blanks using the words given at the end of the sentences. अच्छा, तो आपको क्या करना है ना, ये जो हमको fill in the blanks करना है. You have to fill the blank spaces with the words given in the bracket. यहाँ पे आपको दो वर्ड दिए गए हैं, इनमें से एक वर्ड यूज करके आप fill in the proper word यूज करके आप fill in the blanks करेंगे. So the first sentence is insects dash crawl on the wall. Can insects crawl on the wall? Yes, obviously. So the answer will be insects can crawl on the wall. Insects can crawl on the wall. Okay. Now come to the number B. The grocer was dashed to move the cow. The grocer was the grocer able to move the cow? No. ग्रोसर ने उसको अपने जो रास्ते से नहीं हटा पाया था. द ग्रोसर वॉज अनएबल टू मूव द काउ. द ग्रोसर वॉज अनएबल टू मूव द काउ. सो इट वॉज डैश फॉर द बॉय टू मेक द काउ गेट अप. इट वॉज इट ईजी और डिफिकल्ट? कठिन था कि आसान था? आसान था. सो इट वॉज ईजी फॉर द बॉय. इट वॉज ईजी फॉर द बॉय टू मेक द काउ गेट अप. ओके. चिल्ड्रेन वॉक ऑन देयर हेड्स. चिल्ड्रेन अपने सर पे चल सकते हैं? नहीं. चिल्ड्रेन कैन नॉट वॉक ऑन देयर हेड्स. चिल्ड्रेन कैन नॉट वॉक ऑन देयर हेड्स. यू हैव टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स लाइक दिस. समटाइम्स लव एंड काइंडनेस में फेल. Sometimes love and kindness may succeed where force will fail. Okay, the last sentence is we should dash to animals. We should be kind to animals. We should be kind to animals. So in today's class you have to you learned about the question answers and some words activity. So you have to do this in your copies and do this in your English copy, and say you have to send photographs in groups also. So thank you and have a nice day, and do your homework quickly and send photographs quickly. So thank you and have a nice day.